Now I'll catch up on eating.
Oh my God.
Alright, let me catch up on eating. We gotta start eating, bro. I gotta start eating. Like this.
Check plates out.
If I get a call, will it interrupt the video?
Pardon me?
If I get a call,
Yeah, it will. Why?
I just got a call. I declined it, so.
You need to pick it up?
No.
Who is it? Like is it someone you know?
No, but I'm just saying, like, in general, you know?
Yeah, well.
Should I put my phone on D&D?
Yeah, this guy.
Yeah, I am. Yep, I'm at Comic-Con right now. We're about to be there just now. But that's good news. That's good to hear. You'll see us then. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. There you back, fam. Yes, sir. Can't wait.
That's some WEs.
Trust. know, we're very interactive, very friendly, very positive. So looking for it. So far, I've seen a Delta to run Milky TT man.
What does that mean?
I don't know, but I just guess I assume it's like costumes. We hope to see that too. How far is it from here?
Close, my man. Everything's closed.
I know it's not running happy. I'm finally done.
Super.
We also saw Cloud from a Finally Fantasy.
That'd be cool. That's a game. That's what I'm saying. You might see game characters. You might
Next
see.
to the fall.
Never know. I was thinking a cool one would be Master Chief if Mans did that. You know who Master Chief is?
Nah.
I mean, he's
But
dumb.
do you know who let's get the fuck out of here? From a garbage. Holy.
You have anything in my face?
Now you're good. To me?
No.
Alright. Alright, we're on our way, yo. Stay tuned. Yeah, oh yeah. We're moving slower than Ninja Turtles. We also saw you with a group of friends. We're on our way now. Got a little nice little lunch. That was good. Oh yeah. Now we're on the way. Big group. Okay, big group, big group. If you guys see us, feel free to, come along, say what's up. I'm here with my next boy, Wavy Ryan,
Yo, we're
on all
here.
platforms. You guys check him out on social media. He's a big content creator in Toronto. Okay, people are just walking with him and looking. We're on our way. We're on our way. We're about to step aside to Union Station. Okay, I wonder if I should put my jacket on. I stay like this.
What is your cape?
That's my cape. Alright, so Ryan would say like the CN Tower is like Gotham City right now. Let me flip the camera. Oh, you can almost see it now. Just a group teens though. We in our teens too. We could do LC, but if it's nearby.
It's right here. You just have to, it's right by the Rogers Center. That's where we have to go anyway.
So we have to go that way then.
Yeah, we do.
So why the heck we're walking this way?
I don't know. I was following you.
Bro, I don't know where it is. You do know? But I saw that, yeah, we could. Oh. Careful. I don't know if I got that on camera, but yeah, she almost flipped. Hey, it's not even too cold anymore. Yeah. Okay, like, they gotta have like Automatic doors. I'm going behind her. I ain't touching this door. Yeah, I didn't see that. I didn't touch it. Like, bro, walk faster.
Take it easy. I'm trying to find the directions. These guys are running.
You knew my brain.
Oh God, y'all free fun.
All right, we're gonna.
Yeah, it is.
Before we go to Comic Con, we're gonna go somewhere else real quick, and then Comic Con. Just a little pit stop, you know, just a little pit stop.
This guy Neil's got his Gatorade symbol, so you know.
Gatorade? What you mean?
Yeah, Gatorade boost right now. You ever play 2K?
Oh, okay, yeah, I got my gear, you know, so, oh, I see now. Yes, sir, that's right.
But yeah, we here. We better go past the Rogers Center. I mean,
I bet.
Rogers Center's always the vibe. What's the Raptors say?
There's our new crate now. Well, I'm telling you, there's a lot of costumes everywhere we walk. Everywhere, a lot.
Where's that?
City's nice.
This mall. Isn't there an LCBO in this mall?
From that's in a mall. Bro, where's your phone? I'll just search
You know
it.
what I'm talking about, though? I haven't seen that. There's a LCBO right beside the Union Station.
Finally. Sing the phone, I'll search it out.
2-minute walk. Hey, just keep
Wait.
going down.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna definitely be crunk. Even when it's like that, you can't hear you. I'd turn off like your FaceTime. I don't know.
Just in case I'm gonna end this.